Hello happy campers. Today in this video we're going to show you how to replace a door locking mechanism on a 1999 Coleman Santa Fe. As you can see, I'm using the drill to remove the rivet so I'll be able to remove the outer shell and replace the locking mechanism on the door. My test with the WD-40 made the removal of the rivets a lot faster. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using a 3/16" drill bit to remove the 3/16" rivets.
Oh, but we can paint it.
Oh, a couple more days.
I was coming to ask you what you've been doing.
Laying dents out.
Were you fixing the door?
Yep.
So this is the lock that we got from Coleman Pop-Ups Parts?
Yep. And it's the actual working lock. So it'll twist and turn your locking mechanism to lock it up in place when you go to leave and when you tear it down. And this is the old one that I pulled out. I had to hammer it apart after I took the screws out. Take out the inner mechanism to pull this whole thing out. So now we're going to try to get it back together. Our lock through. Screw off. Alright. This plate was on there before. Just going to put it back. And then the old screws and nuts, because the new ones didn't come with new screws and nuts. Nice and tight. I got a little impact over here. Phillips head. Make sure this is good level. Just tighten it down. Checking the mechanism. Locked, unlocked.
So what is it?
3/4. Works like a charm.
'Cause you the best.
And now the tricky part. After reinstalling the outer skin, I'm replacing all the rivets that I drilled out earlier. This is a Stanley rivet gun that I found at Walmart. It was pretty cheap. Unfortunately, that and it did do its job were the only pluses. The downside is it's very, very hard to squeeze compared to the higher end rivet guns. And if you have weak hands or arthritis, this would not be the gun for you. So I would suggest spending a little bit more money if you're going to, do some riveting.
Hey, Alex. Hey, other member of the A-Team fam. You mad at me because I told you can't clean Nini's pool by yourself?
Plus, you got it clean yesterday.
No, there's still leaves in there, but Mom is really oversafe. Can do a single thing without she worrying about you.
That's my job, bud.
Yeah, but I can't swim.
I know, but if you hit your head and nobody knew you were out there.
Mom, I was literally like this. If I fell in, my head would have hit the water. I could swim out.
It's almost like that. Linda, listen to me.
I'm gonna be
Linda,
like this to
Linda.
hit my head.
Wait, what?
Remember that little kid on Facebook? Linda, listen, Linda, listen. Same stuff we get at.
Mom, I won't be like this to hit my head if I fell in.
Okay, well, you're not going to be out by the pool by yourself. End of this discussion. But I listened and I heard you out. So mad. We almost got it there, huh?
Won't fall down anymore.
One by one, we checking them off. But they add up faster than we can check them off sometimes. You're doing a good job, Sparky.
Well, it seems all these rivets I put in, I decided to cut one back halfway through. And I can't get it to keep pulling it on out, so, you know, cheap stuff. Works the trick, so I'm going to take my dikes here and cut them. And then I'll re-drill that out and then put in a new one.